Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slay this Captain Hook inspired look without VIP in Dress to Impress. In this DTI tutorial, we are turning Captain Hook from villain to Runway legend, and we are doing it all without VIP. And this is the Captain Hook look, and I'm going to show you how you can create this look step by step. So in here, I'm going to start from the hair. First, go to the curly category and use this hair. And only use the bangs, color it black. Then click on straight category and use this hair. Also in black. And use this wavy hair. Again in black, and lastly this hair in here also in black. So now when you are done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first I'm going to go to the men's section, and I'm going to wear this shirt in here and toggle it into number 2, and I'm going to change the texture into matte for both of the shirt. And then I'm going to go to here and put on this code, change the color into red and the accent color into orange, like this. And as for the pants, so I'm going to wear this knee length, this one. Change the color into red like the code, and I'm going to put on this socks, toggle it into high strip socks, but change all the color into white. And for the shoe, I'm going to wear this boots in here and change the color into black, and the shoe tie into red. Okay, now you're just going to put on some accessory. Here I'm going to put on this belt, and I'm going to go to put on the hat. So I'm going to use this hat and change the color to all red. Then I'm going to put on this flower, make the color white, combine it with this one, toggle it into number 3 and all white color. Oh, I forgot to put on the mustache, so you can just go back to the salon and put on the mustache. So that's the iconic look of Captain Hook. So click on masculine in here, and I'm going to use this mustache. So after this, you are done. So for the flower on the hat, you can also use the adjustment feature. So this is the adjustment for the flower, like this. You can follow my adjustment here. And that's pretty much it. This is the Captain Hook on DJI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.